Secondary School. Class 2nd Standard, Subject Environmental Science, Term 3. Unit 2. Topic: My beloved motherland. My beloved motherland. Good morning, children. Have a good day. First, our topic: National Days and National Leaders. First one, August 15. For many years, our country, India, was ruled by another country called Britain. We became free from their rule on August 15th, 1947. India celebrates this day as Independence Day every year. Next one, January 26. Our own laws came into force on 26th January 1950. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. Many leaders worked hard to make India independent. Two important leaders among them were Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, October 2. Next one, October 2. Mahatma Gandhi is affectionately remembered by all of us as Papu, or the father of our nation. Father of our nation. He followed the path of non-violence. He led a simple life and always spoke the truth. His birthday, 2nd October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. His birthday, 2nd October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Next days, November 14. November 14. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. First Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. He was very fond of children. He was lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. He was lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day. Next, our topic: National Flag, the Tricolor. National Flag, the Tricolor. Our national flag, called the tricolor, is rectangular in shape. It has 3 equal bands of different colors. First one, saffron means sacrifice. White means truth and peace. Green means prosperity. The navy blue wheel in the center of the white band is called the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes which stand for progress and values. Next one, national and state emblems. National and state emblems. This is national emblems. National emblem of India is the replica of Lion capital of Sarnath. This is Tamil Nadu state emblems, Srivilliputtur temple. Next one, our topic national symbols of India. National symbols of India. National animal Bengal tiger. National river Gangai. National bird peacock. National tree banyan tree. National flower lotus. National fruit mango. State symbols of Tamil Nadu. Next one, state symbols of Tamil Nadu. Our state animal Nilgiri Thar. State flower Glorisa lily. State bird emerald dove. State tree palm tree. State game kabaddi. State fruit jackfruit. Next our topic, our responsibility. Our responsibility. Some place and things like public toilets, roads, street taps, parks, hospitals, schools and classrooms are used by all of us. It is our responsibility to keep them neat and clean. First one, do not spit in public place. Do not scribble on walls. Do not throw waste in public place. Form a queue. Use the public toilet. Do not use the road or open space. Maintain silence in the public library. Do not tear or scribble in the books. Okay children, I will give homework for you. First one, connect the pictures of the leaders of column A and B. Second one, color the circle red for the don'ts and green for the do's. Okay children, I hope you understand the topic is clearly. Meet you in the next class. Thank you children. Bye.